What's up, guys? Back again with another motovlog. This time we're gonna try to install this, the STS Turn signal system. So what this is supposed to do is no more having to manually stop it when I make a turn or whatever. It'll cancel the turn signals. So we'll try to get this installed and well, see how it comes out. So first things first, I tried looking at the manual, and yeah, it was a little convoluted, so we're just going to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to trace the wires that are going to the switch and trying to find a good spot for them. So I started out looking for this wire that comes down to a little clamp down here, so I'm going to pop that clamp so I have a little bit more slack. Kinds of different colors in there. This might be interesting. Oh. Alright. I'm hell-bent and determined not to take the tank off. Aha, gotcha. All right, let's consult the manual. Let's do it the old-fashioned. See, this is so fucking convoluted. Bust out the multimeter. Cool. All right, so let's assume. Left. Good. All right. Brown and green. Yeah, okay. Take this cover off real quick. See if I get a little extra room to play with in here. Again, I'm not taking my tank off. These two wires right. I just don't remember which one's which. Dark brown is left. There we go. Point of no return. Sorry, if I knew what I was doing, this would be a hell of a lot better, but don't exactly know what I'm doing on this. And I really hate doing fucking terminals like these. I probably will come back and solder in the damn thing. Done. those. So now run this up and in. And now it's just matching up. The purple is brown. There's green. And brown. Okay, that did not work. I am a fucking moron. I gotta plug him back in. Alright guys, battery's dying, so it's gonna disconnect. We'll just keep it running for as long as we can. And yeah, we'll see what happens.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, we're back. And the blinkers work now. So I think I left off. I was trying to figure out why the blinkers weren't working. I was a complete utter dumbass and had the connectors unplugged, so explains why I wasn't getting anything. Well, we'll see if it works. Oh, that is fucking dope. Everything seems to be working as it should, so well, sorta. My left switch is acting up slightly, so need to maybe spend a little bit more time with the little felt pad, rubber pad things, and get it completely dialed in or whatnot. When I switch it to the left, it kind of when I switch it to the left, it still kind of latches a little bit, so that's a slight problem. Let's see here. Get past this black Jeep and then see how merging works. Okay. Oh, that is freaking dope. That's pretty fucking cool, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I'm gonna get so damn lazy with this thing. So I think the trick to this thing is all in the mounting. Make sure that you have it tied up really tight, like really affixed real good to whatever surface you use. I ended up finding a bracket in there. I think it was for my air injection, but found a spot to mount it real tight. So one thing that I like about this system as opposed to other systems that I've looked at is it's not based on a timer. So it's not, it shouldn't time out before I make this turn, but yeah, we'll see. It's more like motion censored. So there's actually a specific way that it's got to look. There's a specific direction orientation that the little box has to be at in order to, I guess, sense properly. So I think between making sure that you got the little dongle facing the right way and making sure that it's on a good strong surface, because I'm sure anything loose, like a fairing or some shit, something loose would cause issues with it, I would assume. But I don't know, I didn't build the damn thing. So, but so far it's pretty cool shit. I just want to zigzag back and forth just to see if I could trip this damn thing up. You know what? Let's do this. Ah, got it. So gentle moves will, it won't read it. I mean, that's to be expected though. There's no surprise there. Happy with it, with this STS turn signal thing. It's pretty cool. We'll see how long it, see how it holds up. Hopefully I didn't fuck up the wires too bad. So anyways, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.